YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we are going to talk about some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Toshi coin because we got to do it. We got to do it. But before we get into that, I got to let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just the homie Crypto J. We just talking about cryptocurrency today. So at the end of the day, if you're going to make a buying decision, don't do it based off this video. Go talk to a financial advisor. Just do it off the internet. But let's talk about it, okay? Total Bitcoin market cap, or total cryptocurrency market cap, coming in at 2.68 trillion, down about 1% today, seeing some volatility going into this Sunday afternoon. It's about 12 o'clock here on the west side. As you guys could see, Fear Greed next coming in at a 32. And again, we're starting to move a little bit sideways, possible rejection, but not confirmed rejection. But again, we are now in a little bit of territory where we got to start pumping back. We are maybe seeing a little bit of rejection actually off this 84.5 zone. Yikes. Okay, let's see what's going on. See what's going on with Bitcoin, because again, one thing that we were concerned about and one thing that we've been talking about is the downtrend that we're in, right? We are still in a downtrend, but at the same time, we had an amazing market close on Friday. So it's really kind of mixed sentiment, I feel like, right now. We'll kind of see what's going to happen as far as with Bitcoin and what's going to happen this week. I do think that this is going to be a big week for Bitcoin. Again, for the whole market, right? We are, for the first time, breaking above this second level of the Keltner channel on the 1 day for the first time since really March, right? Late March. And as you guys could see, it's been a downtrend, right? We haven't had a confirmed breakout yet, but if we can get above some of these key levels, I think we can see a confirmed breakout. Right now, though, again, we're still in a downtrend. We're not out the woods yet. And we do normally see sell-off into the weekend. So the fact that, again, we created this rising wedge right here, yikes, you know, like, look, we touched this top Keltner channel here and we rejected. And then you guys could see we created this bear flag. We rejected again off the second Keltner channel. And now here we are again, possibly having a rejection. But look, we broke up, right? We still are on an uptrend. There's still a lot going on, a lot of psychology going on this 1 hour chart. It's still very much in limbo. It could go either way. You guys could see we're dancing right on that level of support. So that could really play out either way. Looking at some of these more longer indicators, like this 1 week chart, telling me that possibly I just need to maybe be a little bit more patient, right? Maybe we could see Bitcoin have that breakout. Again, we do need to see a break above some of these levels up here. I would like to see Bitcoin at like an 86 or something like that. That would make me feel a lot better about this. But ultimately, we still do have a lot of ways to go, guys. We could still break back down. And we're still in a downtrend, right? We had a shoulder head shoulder play out here and it started breaking down, but has it fully broken down, or does this thing need some more correction? I did tell you guys that my possible bottom on Bitcoin, my rock bottom, I feel like it could hit is 68K. It's probably my rock bottom on it, but at the same time, markets are speculative. This thing can go any way. It can go up, it can go down, it can go sideways for the next like month, 2 months, you know. So really it's up to the market to decide. And usually decisions are not made on the weekend. Usually we see volatility in the weekend, and that's kind of what we talk about. Usually we see decisions being made usually on like a Wednesday, Thursday, usually Thursday, because sometimes again we'll see Friday and then the weekend sell off. And it's not always like that, but it is more than not. So as you guys could see, we did create the wedge. We did have a good pump on Saturday, but now we're starting to correct. And one thing I'd be concerned about is the early in the week fake out that we talk about on the channel too. Early in the week, sometimes we see fake outs, guys. On a Monday and stuff like that, we see a fake out. So again, maybe this thing drops down, catches some support, gets up to some key levels again, and then we see a fake out. That's also a reality because, again, we're also in a downtrend here and we have not yet broken out. So just some things that you guys want to pay attention to is the fact that we're like literally right in decision mode. This is a key zone right here, guys, to let us know if we're going to have a bull rally pretty soon, or again, if we're going to need to see some more time. Let's see what a lot of people are saying over here on the side, right? As you guys could see, People are definitely chatting about Bitcoin. Some people saying the train is moving. He wants this train to go to the moon. This guy's bullish on it. April is a big day for everyone in crypto because Trump will be listed on Binance Exchange for everyone thinking it will grow 1,000%. And I don't know. Interesting. What do you guys think? You guys think Trump coin will go 1,000%? Somebody said BTC sell now 14 minutes ago. This guy also looking like he's saying he's bearish on it. I don't know. Everything could go either way, guys. I want to know what you guys think. Like, this guy's bullish on it. Bitcoin dumping, BTC dump, get ready. Again, I'm not against price going down, to be honest with you guys. I would love for the price to go up, but I'm not against it going down just because, again, I'm looking to get these things at the cheapest price possible. I see billionaires accumulating, they're buying, and so that's what I'm buying. I'm buying when they're buying. Again, we have a rising wedge here, and I'm definitely concerned that we might see something happen like right here, right? See, we created this wedge, and then we broke down, right? Are we creating another wedge? And then again, starting to see us reject off of some of these levels. I don't really know. I don't know. I know that we have some support down here in this this 82.5 range, and then we have another level of support down here at this 80 range. So we'll kind of see how things play out with Bitcoin. Let's go check out Toshi Coin and see how Toshi is responding to the market, right? Because I know y'all loving you some Toshi, as you guys could see. Toshi coin down just a little bit in the past 24 hours, still coming in at 142 million market cap, sitting on some key support right now on the 12th. And that's exactly what we were talking about in our last video, the fact that we may see a retest of this level on the 12 here. And that's basically kind of what we're seeing. If now Bitcoin decides it wants to jump, we've already kind of seen how this market wants to move. In my opinion, Toshi Coin is battle tested, guys. If you guys think Toshi Coin is battle tested, put battle tested in the comment section below, because I think Toshi Coin is battle tested. In my opinion, this is a coin that has shown that it's has some demand on these Bitcoin bumps. Oh wow, let me move my big old head out the way. Not my big old head in the way. You guys could see, boom, right? This 12-hour chart, we're breaking up, and that is good. That's what we want to see. On Toshi, also, we're growing in holders really fast, and we're getting a lot more people that are engaging in content and stuff like that, which is great, as well as we are going up in search, guys. This is exactly what we need. We need more people seeing Toshi, and the only way that we do that, guys, is by commenting on the videos. I made videos today, the past like 30 minutes to an hour ago, and people have already commented over 100 times on the video. Try not to comment too many times, guys, because then it might like have a negative effect on the video. Might look like spam or something. So maybe like comment and then maybe engage on each other's comments. If you want to make multiple comments instead of just spamming comments, maybe just go engage in some of the comment section, because the more people are talking about Toshi, guys, the more this thing is going to grow. I see a lot of you guys already going through liking a lot of the other people's posts, but also maybe go drop in there and give them a comment, because again, just like Twitter growth, a lot of people come off of here on Twitter and they already kind of know how these socials work, but the more engagement that you guys have, the more reach the search gets for the keyword. So again, we want Toshi to pump. We want more people to see Toshi. That's how we get it on the YouTube homepage. That's how we get it on Google and stuff like that. You guys got to engage in content. So again, go out there, go engage with your community, maybe go create some content of your own and have promote it and have people engage with you, because it's a great way to build yourself in the community. And these people are always looking to support one another, which is another reason why I love Toshi so much, because again, people are getting into this, and you can make a post and then you're going to get like 20, 30 people that are going to comment on it. And again, you just get that for just being a part of the community. In my opinion, that is awesome, so I'm bullish on Toshi. I like the community. That's what I look for. I look for bullish communities, and I look for volume on these Bitcoin dips, because again, that's what these big exchanges look for. Toshi's already listed on Coinbase. It's listed on Kraken. I'm wondering, is this thing going to get a Binance listing? If we start seeing these coins bump, guys, I do expect Binance to start talking about how they're listing more and more coins. Haven't heard much on Binance listing coins, because again, the market's down, right? Who would want to list a coin right now when people are just not investing, when things are just going down? It's just not a good time to be launching things on Binance. So they're not launching a lot of coins, but during the meme cycle, guys, I do expect them to be launching a lot of coins that are in demand. And one coin that we can see has a demand after this dip again is Toshi. So again, this is one coin that I feel like Binance might have on its radar. We still have Halby listing that we can also get. So all that stuff is bullish, and it makes me feel good about Toshi again that we're seeing this positive price action. If we see a lower price on Toshi again, if Bitcoin wants to correct down, the market wants to come down, and we're going to see a cheaper price on Toshi, I'm still looking for this coin at the cheapest price. I already told you guys that I enjoy the dip. You know, like some people don't like the dip. I actually look at this as opportunity. I've been saying that the whole time, and as you guys could see, Toshi coin just yesterday pumping like 40%, and this is the exact stuff that I'm talking about. You know, it's the timing, the I mean, you want to be at least looking for the cheapest price possible. That's what I look for. So again, maybe this is the cheapest price. Maybe we're sitting on a key level of support. Maybe we need to drop down and retest some of these lower ranges. If we do drop down and test some lower ranges, we can possibly see this thing dropping down to around, probably maybe around 120. And then again, some more support down here at 105. So that's just kind of what I'm paying attention to. Key lines of resistance would probably be, well, of course, up here, right? Ultimately, the key resistance, it would be right here at 161. But then above that, we have a good amount of resistance up in this area too. So just pay attention to that. Maybe we could still reach up to that that 200 million mark. As you guys could see, this thing is climbing, trying to get there on the 1 week. So you know, when you're looking at these things on a more macro scale, you can kind of get a bigger picture. Again, maybe Toshi has seen the bottom, or again, maybe we're going to see this thing correcting, or we'll see rejection or something like that. I really, ultimately, guys, I don't know. I do know that this thing is really cheap compared to where it was at the top. Will it make a new high? Only time will tell, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. And oh, also, if you have not yet tapped into the Patreon, join us over on Patreon, guys. I'm going to leave you guys my Patreon in the description below. We talk about all these coins, guys, all these coins. We were really early on Toshi. As a matter of fact, we were talking about this thing under $10 million, and it already went over 800. So again, tap in. I appreciate you all. Everybody that engages in the video, again, it all helps. Go share this over on X and tag @JTalksCrypto. I got you something if you do that, but I got to see you do that, and you have to @JTalksCrypto. Otherwise, I won't know you did it. So do that, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.